Tell you something. If your boots, help me, Holy Ghost. Get ready, get ready. Anytime your damn boots look like they gave up on your ass, it's time to get a new pair. Your shit should not be disagreeing with the gravel on the ground. If you pigeon-toed and you slew-footed because your boots disagreeing, that is your leg. I'll break up with your ass. Let it go. And it's something about a woman walking, the way she talk that really turned me on now. You know, I'm old school to my heart. It's my people's fault.